Hey, what's up everyone? So hey, listen, if you guys were using Trello for like a lead organizing system, that's awesome. I mean, that's what we've taught for a long time. Trello's only like, what, $6 or $9 a month to get the premium. So yeah, really good system. You know, people like Trello, especially in real estate, because of its like drag and drop feature. You can get organized on like the life cycle stage that your clients are in if you're a real estate agent, right? So it really helps you get organized. You can link Trello to like another app, like in case you have like a survey form where you're doing your auto pre-qualifying as a real estate agent. When they hit submit, you can make a card automatically generate, and then this doubles up in the apartment locating industry as like a virtual guest card, so you don't have to do manual paperwork. So Trello is really cool, you know, really affordable. But if you wanted an even better Trello, basically like a Trello on steroids that will fire off automations in your CRM, you can do so by utilizing a CRM called Locator IQ. Okay, we've designed the CRM to offer basically a dozen features that other CRMs don't offer, like the ability to call leads, record the phone calls, track the calls per each client contact, and like 9 other things that we can't really get into in this video. Unlimited sales funnel builder, website builder, SEO, like calendar integrations. You know, you can get rid of like systems like Calendly, a social media bulk uploader. So you don't need like HubSpot or Later or Metrical. So Locator IQ does like $1,000 a month worth of separate systems, all in one CRM called Locator IQ for as low as like $199 a month. We even have a plan for $99 a month for all those features, right? But one of the cool features is basically something that we're calling pipeline. Okay, and so pipeline, we've taken a lot of inspiration from Trello because it's just so clean and easy to use. So we've taken a lot of inspiration to them. We've referred Trello lots of business, you know, in the past 5 years of teaching real estate agents the locator niche. But we've done kind of like a Trello-based interface here to where you can still drag and drop people over as if it's Trello. However, you can attach the actions of every lifecycle stage to your automation drip campaigns. Okay, what does this mean, right? So you're probably used to Trello. So if you're using Trello, you know how you get a new lead and it pops up right here, and then you move them over like once you do the Zoom call, and then you know, like, and you send the list of apartments, and then you move them over here like if they applied, move them here if they're closed, move them here if they're like unqualified, or if they ghost you. So really this one should say like they ghosted me, right? I like to add a cool little ghost icon right there. And so, you know, ghosted could be like another major list. But what's cool here that we didn't see this feature, like the one thing that like Trello was kind of lacking, even though they're great, is you can't fire off automations because it's not like a comprehensive CRM. And so we've taken a lot of good inspiration from here. But what's cool with Locator IQ is that you can have the same, this is just a dummy account, but you can have the same lifecycle systems as if you're using Trello. But when you drag over a client, let's say like client 1, right? This is the example. Okay, new lead comes in, boom, same way in Locator IQ. But if you drag them over to like send list, you can fire off an automation that's like, hey, we just sent you your list. The subject is called property report. These are the 3 options that work for you. They're doing specials. You can send an email, a voicemail drop, a text message, and build out custom automations that fire through a Trello-like system within Locator IQ. Okay, and then if you move them over to like, oh, they got applied, but they're not approved, then you can fire off another automation inside of Automation Drip in Locator IQ, and you can say like text them, email them, voicemail drop. Hey, you applied, so this is how it works. It usually takes 48 hours for the apartment to approve you, so I'll reach out by then. Also remember to write, you know, our company name on the rental application so we can get credit and maybe rebate you your app fee, whatever your process is, right? And then when you drag them over to like they got approved, you can send them over a text. It's like, congratulations, you got approved. That's so cool. Remember to write our company on the application so you get credited as an apartment locator, right? So you can fire off individual automations inside of Locator IQ very easily and still get like an interface, a design that's similar to Easy Trello, right? Trello is like the leader because it's so easy. You just drag and drop people. But with Locator IQ, you can do the same thing and now fire off automations. You couldn't do that in Trello because it's not a real CRM. Okay, and then the other thing is if you drag them over to like unqualified, let's say it's like unqualified because they have low credit. So you could do like unqualified low credit, okay? If you're working with like a credit repair affiliate company or something, what you can do is you can fire off an email and a text and a voicemail that's like, hey, you know, it looks like your credit's really low. You might get denied. Work with this partner. They're going to help. They're going to sign up through this link and they're going to help your credit. It's like a credit AI builder. This is what we teach our students in our Locator Academy, right? To work with a credit repair AI company so you can share a link and earn affiliate referral income. So you can fire off that automation like through Locator IQ if you just drag them over. So you don't have to like worry about doing it manually. You just set it all up in Locator IQ. In fact, if you sign up to Locator IQ, right, instead of $1,000 a month, it's $199 a month, and we're going to give you the template. So automation templates, done, ready to go. Trello pipeline, done. We're going to give you a sales funnel that's for real estate agents, done. Everything done. Okay, we also have live support. So if you get stuck on the CRM, you can jump on a call with our team in like 2 or 3 minutes, right? 2 or 3 minutes, we'll walk you through how it works. All right, guys, all for a $0 setup fee and just $199 a month, even as low as $99 a month, right? So if you want to use Trello, you're used to Trello. It's the same experience on here, except like on steroids. You can fire off automations with live support, right? So the last thing is like, if you move them over to like Ghosted, you can create an automation that follows up with these people for like 6 months of like text messages, emails, voicemail drops. Hey, I haven't heard from you in a while. If you already found an apartment, just reply, right? If your friends need help, send them to our website. You can set all of that up right inside of Locator IQ. All right, guys, so Trello's great. You don't really need a switch, but if you want like a better, more robust CRM that does everything in one login with a mobile app, then you should jump on a 7-day free trial. Hop on with my team. They can help you get onboarded. We'll give you a trial, and you'll always have live support at any point in time. All right, hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.